Hello, children. Welcome to Right Tuition Classes. We are at the third lecture of geometric revision of 1 mark questions. What is given in this question number 25? You can see here there is a quadrilateral ABCD, okay, which is a rectangle. Its length is 2 root 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. A circle is passing through the vertices of this rectangle, and they want you to find the radius of this rectangle. So let us draw a picture here. You can see here, children, a circle is passing to the vertices of a rectangle. The name of the rectangle, I'll take it. Rectangle means what? A quadrilateral whose all angles are 90. Can you see? A circle is passing through it. Let me name it as ABCD, okay? And now you can see here, children, AB is given as having length, okay, 2 root 5. Length, we normally refer to the bigger side of a rectangle. So let me take BC as 2 root 5. And then breadth is 4 centimeter. Breadth, we refer to the smaller side of the rectangle. Let us take DC as 4 centimeter. They wanted to find the radius of the circle. Now remember, children, one property. A chord which subtends a right angle at a point on the circle is the diameter. So look at this chord BD. Don't you agree it is making angle BCD 90 degree? Chord BD is subtending a right angle at point C on the circle. So chord BD has to be the diameter. So this chord BD is the diameter, children. This chord BD is the diameter because it subtends a right angle at a point on the circle. So if I can find this BD, that means I'll know the diameter. And if I know the diameter, I can easily find the radius asked. Are you getting me here? So how we go about, children? The first line, I'm going to write quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Is a rectangle, okay? Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle given to us, okay? I know, children, this is in the form of, I'm telling you, in 1 mark question. But the same question can be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. Are you getting me here? When it is 1 mark, they expect you to write the answer directly. When it is 2 or 3 marks, they expect you to solve it. So remember, I'm just solving it, okay? Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, okay? Therefore, now in triangle, I'm going to take this triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle C is 90 degree angle of a rectangle. That means when one angle of a triangle, angle of a rectangle, when one angle of a triangle is a right angle, children, the triangle is a right angle triangle. That means I can use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? BD square equal PC square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, children. By Pythagoras theorem. Now look, the values they're given, I think in the question they're given us, okay? BD is not given, but the other two sides we know, okay? BD square equal 2 root 5 the whole square plus 4 square. You can understand, children, because they're given in the question, the length that is BC is 2 root 5 and CD is 4. They're given this, okay? So now what will happen? What will happen is, therefore, BD square equal 20 plus 16. How much you get, children? BD square equal 36. So what is BD equal, children? BD equal root of 36 is 6 centimeter. Now listen, segment BD subtends a right angle at point C on the circle, at point C on the circle. Therefore, segment BD is diameter. Segment BD is diameter. Chord which subtends a right angle at a point on the circle is a diameter. Therefore, diameter equal, can I say BD का length कितना है? Therefore, diameter equals 6 centimeter. So what is radius? Radius equal half into diameter. So that is half into 6. equal half into 6. Children, how much you get? 3 centimeter. So ultimate answer, radius equal 3 centimeter. बेटा ये क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क के लिए fill in the blanks में आ सकता है. fill in the blanks में आता है तो आपको ओरली एक जगह में फिगर ड्रॉ करके ओरली करना और खाली आंसर लिखना है. लेकिन अगर 2 और 3 मार्क के लिए आएगा तो आपको इस तरह से सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी चिल्ड्रन. We move on to the second question. Okay, better write it down. Write it down, children. Okay, please write down the sums. Then only you understand better. Now I go to the next question, children. So I rub it off. Okay, I go to the next question. So the next question is, you can see here, if triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR, and AB is to PQ is 7 is to 5, then which of this triangle is bigger? Okay, clearly you can see, children, your triangle, okay, AB is 7 is to 5. AB is to PQ is 7 is to 5. But the AB is 7, PQ is 5. But the triangle ABC बड़ा है, triangle PQR छोटा है. So which triangle is bigger, children? Triangle ABC. We'll write it down. Okay, we'll write it down. I'll have to rub this and then we'll write it down. So what is given in this question number 26? Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Once the triangles are similar, children, we know the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And what else is given? AB is to PQ, AB is to PQ. Matlab for AB of triangle ABC, the matching side, the corresponding side in the other triangle PQR is PQ. This ratio is given as 7 is to 5. So simple, children. The question is that which of this triangle is bigger? दोनों में कौन सा triangle बड़ा है? तो AB और PQ मैचिंग साइड है. AB बड़ा है 7 है और PQ छोटा 5 है, तो AB डेफिनेटली बड़ा है. That means triangle ABC बड़ा है. Are you getting me? So triangle ABC, which of the triangle is a bigger triangle? Triangle ABC is a bigger triangle. Triangle ABC is a bigger triangle because its corresponding side is bigger than the of triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC is a bigger triangle. Nothing more. This is exactly one question, 1 mark question, children. Question number 27 ka solution. Let's see here. What is given to us here? Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. And what else is given, children? AB is to PQ is 3 is to 4. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. See, whenever triangles are similar and you come across the word area in that question, तो आपको एक ही फॉर्मूला याद होनी चाहिए. Ratio of the areas of the similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding side. मतलब area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. AB square upon PQ square equal BC square upon QR square equal AC square upon PR square. लेकिन हम लोग इधर लिखेंगे कि क्वेश्चन में AB और PQ इन्वॉल्व है. क्वेश्चन में AB और PQ involved. So I'm going to write AB square upon PQ square and give the reason as by theorem on areas of similar triangles. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. Now listen here, children. We know, please have a look here. We know the value of what is given in this question. AB is to PQ is 3 is to 4. So what am I going to do? One more step of simplification. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. We don't know how much is AB, how much is PQ, but we know the ratio of this. So AB upon PQ, the ratio malum hai. So I purposely write this as the same. AB square upon PQ square, I write it as AB upon PQ, the whole square. This is the law of indices, okay? Common par, the pars are same, so I write it in the form of common par, okay? 2. Now, why did I do like this? So that now we know the value of AB upon PQ is how much? Correct? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. And now I'm going to put the value of AB upon PQ. Kitna hai beta? 3 upon 4. Okay, the whole square. Here, I'm going to write that reason because AB upon PQ is 3 upon 4. That's why I substituted that. Okay. So now you can see what is the answer you get. The area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 upon 16. You write the answer, the question, answer the way they ask in your question. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is how many children? 9 is to 16. This is the answer of this. A very simple question, children. We move on to the next question, children. That is question number 28. Question number 28. Height and base of a right angle triangle are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Height and base of a right angle triangle are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the length of the hypotenuse. So if you remember, children, just a 1 mark question. So you can write it in a lower class. You have always learned in a right angle triangle, in a right angled triangle, okay? Hypotenuse square equal, the way your lower class, hypotenuse square equal base square plus height square, base square plus height square. Now listen, we can always say like this, okay? Well, in English, square of the hypotenuse equals sum of the squares of the two sides. The same thing can be said like hypotenuse square equal base square plus height square. So what is the hypotenuse square, children? This hypotenuse square is equal to, what is the value of base, children, here? Base is 24 square. And please have a look here. What height is 18 square, children? Because they're given in the question, okay? Since base equal 24 centimeter and height equal, okay, 18 centimeter. That's why I substituted. So that becomes like a reason, here. So what is this? Very simple. Hypotenuse square equal, children, 576 plus 324. You should know by heart, okay? 24 square is 576, 18 square is 324. You should know all this. Hypotenuse square equal, how much you get, children, here? 900. So what is hypotenuse equal? Root of 900. Root of 900. How much you get, children? Hypotenuse equal 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. This is the answer for this. This is the answer for it. Now we move on to question number 29, children. We move on to question number 29. Question number 29. Children, very easy sum. I told you these are 1 mark questions, children. 1 mark questions. Okay, very easy to answer. Write the test of similarity for the triangles given below. Don't we agree in this triangle ABC and triangle PQR? Angle B and angle Q are congruent. You can say both are 60 degrees. Angle C and angle R are congruent. Both are 30 degrees. So whenever you see two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of the other triangle, we can see they're similar by a test of similarity. They want you to just write the test of similarity. You just write it down. But here, for me, to help you understand, since it's like a revision, it's like a revision. I am just showing it to you like a solution, how it will be. See, whenever you want to write the test of, you want to prove triangles similar, we'll always start with in. We should write the name of the triangles in proper one-to-one correspondence, base, मतलब matching. The same triangle ABC लिख दिया तो दूसरा ट्रायंगल का नाम बराबर 1-to-1 correspondence में लिखना है, मैचिंग ऑफ द वर्टाइज उसमें लिखना है. ए का मैचिंग वर्टेक्स दिख रहा है, पी रहेगा. बी कितना है? 60 है, तो इधर क्यू 60 है, बी का क्यू है तो बी सेकेंड लिखा है तो क्यू सेकेंड आएगा. ओके, थर्ड लेटर ऑब्वियसली आर. So don't agree, angle B congruent to angle Q, okay? Each is 60 degree. You can see here, children. Angle, triangle ABC के नीचे angles आएगा, उसका angle आएगा, PQR के नीचे उसका angle आएगा. Then angle C congruent to angle R, children, each is 30 degree. So whenever you see two angles of one triangle are congruent to the two angles of other triangle, I can always say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by a test of similarity, by a test of similarity. So here, they only want you to write this part, last line. Are you getting me, children? But I just showed it to you, okay? Now I go to question number 30, ka solution. Just have a look at this sum, children. Very important, okay? From when I look at it, PQ is given as PQ. PQ कितना दिया है? 3.6. इतना लेंथ 3.6 and QR कितना दिया है बेटा? 6.4. लेकिन हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या है? From a point P outside the circle, if you see a tangent segment and you see a secant, PS and PQ are a secant. Okay, so PS square equal PQ into PR. PS square equal PQ into PR. PS square equal PQ into PR. आपको PS मांगता है. PQ मालूम है 3 point. Then PR नहीं दिया है. So your first work will be to find PR. PR equal PQ plus QR. You can see here, children. P dash Q dash R. PR equal, how much it will be, children? 3.6 plus, how much it is? 6.4. Okay, so PR equal, you can see here, children, 10. 10 units. Are you getting me? But this is not the answer, children. I want PS. So from this, the way we present is from point P, outside the circle, outside the circle, outside the circle, segment PS is a tangent segment, and PQR is a secant. PQR is a three-letter name. PQR is a secant. So whenever you see this condition, children, you use one formula. What is that? PS square equal PQ into PR. That's the reason, children, PR is needed. That was the reason why PR we did like this. First, okay, this is called by tangent secant segment theorem. Tangent secant segment theorem. So how much you get, children? PS square equal, what is the value of this? Okay, PQ is 3.6 and PR is 10. Oh, when I multiply this, the decimal shifts. PS square equal 36. Oh, PS equal root of 36. How much you get? You can see here, 6. So PS is 6 units. PS is 6 units. Okay, such a easy sum. Okay, I hope people understood me here. We move on to question number 31. We move on to question number 31. We move on to question number 30. Height of equilateral triangle equal root 3 upon 2 into side. I repeat, children, question number 31 is what? Find the height of equilateral triangle having side 4 centimeter. Height of equilateral triangle equal root 3 upon 2 into side of equilateral triangle. There's a formula you should know. Root 3 upon 2 into 4. Okay, to 1 times to 2 times. So when I cancel, yeah, I get 2 root 3 centimeter. So what is height of equilateral triangle, children? You have to write the answers, okay? Height of equilateral triangle is 2 root 3 centimeter. Then come to question number 32. What it says is, children, find the side of a cube of volume 1 meter cube in centimeter. Find the side of the cube. See, what is given? Volume of a cube is given. Volume of a cube is 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube. What is formula for volume of a cube, children? Volume of a cube equal side cube or L cube. L is the side of the cube. So L cube. Therefore, L cube equal 1 meter cube. So L equal 1 meter. But I got the side in terms of meter, children. Whereas I want the side in terms of centimeter. So L is equal to 100 centimeter because 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. But since 1 meter is 100 centimeter, okay? So naturally, I got the answers. I have a side of the cube. Side of cube in terms of centimeter is 100 centimeter. Okay, children? Now,